We have a new timeline tonight in the federal case against an Iowa police chief.
Adair Police Chief Brad Wendt is still on the job right now as he faces more than a dozen federal charges related to machine guns. Only on KCCI, Bo Bowman shows us what some of the court filings reveal. Bo.
Well, Stacey, the documents explain how the investigation unfolded, what city council members knew and when they knew it. They have interviews the FBI conducted with current and former Adair City Council members and the transcripts of closed session city council meetings. The court filings show that on August 31st, 2022, the FBI executed a search warrant at Police Chief Brad Wendt's gun store in Denison and the Adair Police Department. Wendt was placed on paid administrative leave shortly after that, and then on September 14th, 2 weeks after the FBI searches, the Adair City Council members held a closed-door meeting to talk about Wendt. Transcripts show one council member claimed that Wendt admitted he sold guns for much more than he had paid for them, claiming to do so on behalf of the city. Another member defended Wendt, saying the chief had paid for everything and had broken no laws. The council held another private meeting on October 26 to talk about a letter from Wendt's attorney. The contents of that letter have not been made public, but by the end of that meeting, transcripts show the council reinstated Wendt, taking him off of paid leave. Less than 2 months later, though, on December 14, 2022, Wendt was indicted on 19 federal charges. The U.S. Attorney's Office accused Wendt of exploiting his position as police chief to buy or try to buy machine guns over a 4-year period. Prosecutors say Wendt claimed the guns were for official police duties, but were actually resold, stored, or even used at public events where people were charged money to shoot them. 5 days after that indictment, the city council placed Wendt on leave, this time unpaid. Less than a month after that, on January 11, 2023, the city council held another closed-door meeting. Transcripts show Wendt himself was there and claimed everybody on city council knew he was buying the machine guns. Later that night, the city council voted to reinstate Wendt for a second time. He remains on the job to this day. Now, Chief Wendt is due in federal court February 5th in Des Moines. If found guilty, Wendt could be sentenced to a maximum 10 years behind bars. I reached out to his attorney and the city of Adair this afternoon, but I have not yet heard back. Stacey?